Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Mommy, look how big I am on the TV. Look how big I look.
Oh my God, why are you so huge?
I'm huge cause I grow too fast.
Oh my God.
What is good, YouTube? This is your girl Brink. So sorry, I was unfortunately thinking that I had recorded this video the opposite way, but this whole video is actually going to be long ways instead of movie ways. So you guys will be seeing it this way the whole video. Unfortunately, my apologies, but this is basically a tutorial of how I made the autism pieces for my second tree in the living room. I basically used the Cricut for pretty much the whole process. It involved cardstock for these puzzle pieces that I used. And then what I did was I went onto Etsy and I found basically I basically bought something on Etsy. I forgot what you call these things, you guys, that I could put in my Cricut and pretty much use for the puzzle pieces. And then I removed the background on them, on the images, and then I transferred them over to my Cricut mat. And then I copied them and had them all cut out in different shapes and sizes. Well, all one shape, all one size, basically, not shape. And then what I did was I had them cut out in different colors. Then kind of from there, I had them all sized the same. I tried to do like 24 total, and I just wanted to have a variety of different sizes, different shapes of puzzle pieces. Look at my kitty, he's so adorable. Different shapes of the puzzle pieces, because I didn't want all of the same ones on the tree. I wanted it to be different ones, because you guys know there are never the same puzzle pieces in just one puzzle, so you have to make it pretty unique when you're showing how puzzles are done. And autism, being on the spectrum, isn't just one type of disability, so I wanted to showcase that as well with the puzzle pieces, because that's basically the symbol for autism and disabilities. So that's basically what I was doing with these puzzle pieces. So my Cricut machine cut out like each of the shapes in all different colors. I mainly used yellow, blue, red. I used a couple of orange, but what I noticed with using the orange paper is that it tore really easily when I was putting the words on it, and you guys will see like me only use like a couple pieces of the orange like on the finished product of the tree. TK did do the words and phrases himself. I let him pick out the phrases, so he did 12 phrases, and then I did print them out twice, because we did a total of 24 of these puzzle pieces. And I did the pill and stick on some sticker vinyl. Cricut did that too. And then, as you guys can see now, I am just sticking them on the puzzle pieces that are already made. We did gold and we did white in the words. All of these are all the phrases that he made, and then I'm just going to laminate the pieces to kind of make them more on the waterproof end, just in case like something happens. You can never predict it, you guys, but this also helps to make them reusable, like if we happen to want to reuse them in the future as well. Extra work, of course. But then I have to go back in after they're laminated, recut them out, and then the last thing is hole punch, which I do not show them on camera. And then after they're hole punched, you can kind of use like regular ornament hooks or ribbon or whatever you wanted to do. I did not show that part on camera, you guys, but that is pretty much all I did to make these ornaments. I did just wind up using like regular ornament hooks, but just stay tuned to see the final product of this tree. I think I will just do the reveal of the tree, and then show like the final view of the living room like all together, because I think that would be pretty dope. But this is how they turned out, you guys. Let me know what you think about this video and this DIY. I thought it was really fun and unique, especially a dedication to my cutie because I love him so much. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. See ya.